Picture a row of dominoes. The first little one tips, nudging the next, and soon an unstoppable chain reaction begins. That's how success works. It's not one gigantic leap, but a series of deliberate, small moves that eventually topple even the biggest obstacles. Each domino you place represents a small achievement, a healthy habit formed, a problem solved, a step toward your dream. But here's the twist. You don't have to get it all perfect right away. That first tiny domino, your first action, no matter how small, is the key to starting momentum. Think about this. Did you know a smaller domino can knock over 1.5 times its size? Your tiny actions today create a force larger than you can imagine. When you focus on building consecutive wins and adding just one more step, it triggers the domino effect, turning your goals into a fulfilled reality. So take out a journal and write down your first domino. Just one. Pay off that small debt. Write 50 words for your book. Drink an extra glass of water, then lay another domino tomorrow. Soon, the force of your positive actions will become undeniable. The trick? Commit to starting small but consistently. Your success isn't a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Ready to start tipping those dominoes today?